I didn't tint the lace. I did not melt this.
Hey Kelly, welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting into this real scalp curtain bang wig from UNice Hair. Listen, she's glueless, HD lace, natural melt, and she comes with a built-in drawstring. So if you're tired of the glue and you want a wig that works with you and not against you, keep watching. Baby, this is the start of the show. This is their real scalp technology, which means that this mesh base, it gives us a real scalp illusion without, that need for lace tint and that ball cap method just to make everything look like scalp. This gonna do it for you. And let's get into this lace because HD, what? They said forget that transparent lace. We trying to give y'all the real thing. So I appreciate them for that. This is the overall construction of the wig, and it does come with an elastic band. They also added this drawstring in the back, and yes, it's like a ponytail drawstring but for your wig, so if it's very secure and without glue. So you're gonna adjust the wig to your head size, and you're gonna pull that bigger button down and latch it like this. You're gonna make sure you bring this one down too. This is going to lock your wig in place. Whether you pull it, move around, it ain't going nowhere. So be sure to pull that smaller button down as well, or your wig will loosen up. So the trick I like to do to hide the drawstring is just tuck it up under the wig, and as you guys can see, you can't see it. So again, y'all, look at this hairline. I felt the freak in love with this hairline. Like, it is just that, girl. Like, I promise you I found my new spring wig, because what y'all, look at this hairline. Let me just be quiet and give y'all this moment. Anyway, I lied. Y'all can pretty much part wherever you would like on this wig, and I love that too, because yes, I love a versatile wig. This is what the curls look like straight out the package. I did put it on my mannequin head so I can see what I was working with, and I'm just combing it out. And baby, look at this. Look at this. Out of the freaking pack. It is pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Baby, where is the freaking lace? Is the lace in the room with us? Okay, where's the lace? So y'all already know I was hyped when I had it on my mannequin, but what is going to give it on me? And baby, when I tell you again, I fell in love with this wig. Like, I did not expect UNice to come this freaking hard with that wig. I'm like, what the freak did y'all do to this? Because the customization, the way that this wig fits on my head is just ridiculous. It's like super duper flat.
Hold on. I wasn't going to talk, but what in the actual... What? Y'all, what kind of witchery do UNice got going on? I didn't tint the lace. I did not melt this. Do y'all not see what I'm seeing? UNice, they said forget all that transparent lace. Let me give y'all freaking real HD lace. And no glue. Honey, I'm done. I don't know what y'all talking about. Stop freaking playing with me. You think we doing baby hair today? No. Okay, wait. I still can't fathom it, okay? Look, y'all. Y'all see how freaking flat that this freaking wig lays? Are you kidding me right now, bro? And I love that it's big. I am gonna have to cut it to fit properly. Just cut into the lace. This secured with the elastic band. It's crazy, right? It's just insane. Like, it is flat all the way around. Like, how do they do that?
Okay, so the wig is a little bit too long on the end, so I'm just gonna trim that up. That is no issue. I'd rather have it too long than too short. Y'all, we're going freaking glueless. Look at this. It ain't melted. I'm not using no lace adhesive. I'm using the built-in ear tabs and the drawstring. no adhesive, okay, none. So you're just gonna peel the back and off that tape, and you're just gonna press it right into your skin. Press, press, press. I did this on both sides, and it's ridiculous. Like, the lace disappears. We have an undetectable hairline on our hands. I love it. So I'm just going in to do a little bit of customization. I'm going in with the hot comb. Y'all know I love me a laid look, so I need just a little bit of wax and my Sebastian hairspray. That is all I'm going to be using today. We're just going to melt the lace using hairspray. This is a hairspray, y'all. This is not lace adhesive. I'm gonna show you that even though I'm using this to melt in just a little bit more, it is not going to be, look, y'all see that? Oh, I thought somebody tried to say she was lying. I thought somebody tried to say something. But anyway, I am gonna go ahead and put my melt band on, and we're just gonna go ahead and curl the hair. I'm taking my Beyond the Zone heat protectant spray. All right, let's get into the bangs though. I love that they come pre-cut, but I love to recurl mine for more face framing and volume. I just do a light curl on each side and I feather them out. So we're gonna take our melt band off, and no, she is not laid down. Baby, still 100% glueless, minus the tape on the sides. Don't play with her. We're definitely gonna get into, you know, combing these curls out. I did not experience any tangling, but I did have a little bit of shedding. All right, so this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna comb those curls all the way out. Look at this, y'all. Obsessed. This was my favorite style. I didn't even want to do no other styles. This is how I will wear it. I love, 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 love this. The volume. It's just, y'all, I'm obsessed. So I'm doing a deep side part with the swoop. Y'all, I just knew this was going to eat down because the curtain bangs are already cut. So everything was just going to lay perfectly. So I went ahead and did a deep side part. Like I said, you can part anywhere you like. So just put a little bit of curls back in, and boom, it was super quick, super simple. And look, y'all, for the girls who like to have just one eye showing, this is definitely for you, sis. Don't play. So lastly, y'all already know we had to come through with the half up, half down. This style eats down. Y'all know how to make it, you know, cutesy, add a little curl, do my thing. But anyway, y'all, this is the real scalp wig. It's very much beginner friendly. Y'all, this is definitely 100% number one on the top of my list for beginners, because you don't have to do nothing. Like, it's all done for you, and you just have to secure your wig down using the ear tabs and adjusting the drawstring and elastic band, and baby, she is done. It looked like you melted that thing, but you didn't. UNice came through with this curtain bang moment. Comment below which style is your fave. Are you team ponytail, half up, half down, or team bangs and bounce? And don't forget to check the description section to shop this wig for yourself. Thank you so much, UNice, for sending over this unit, and I definitely will be wearing her all spring long. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.